Gotta have it vegan mac and cheese recipes. 2 cups elbow macaroni, gluten-free if desired. 1 cup raw cashews, soaked in water for 4 hours. 1/4 cup nutritional yeast. 1/4 cup unsweetened almond milk. 2 tablespoons lemon juice. 1 tablespoon Dijon mustard. 1 tablespoon apple cider vinegar. 1 teaspoon garlic powder. 1 teaspoon onion powder. 1/2 teaspoon turmeric. For color. Salt and pepper to taste. 1/4 cup breadcrumbs, optional, for topping. 2 tablespoons olive oil, for topping. Directions. Cook the elbow macaroni according to package instructions. Drain and set aside. Drain and rinse the soaked cashews. In a high-speed blender, combine the cashews, nutritional yeast, almond milk, lemon juice, Dijon mustard, apple cider vinegar, garlic powder, onion powder, turmeric, salt, and pepper. Blend until smooth and creamy. Pour the cashew cheese sauce over the cooked macaroni and stir until the pasta is fully coated. Optional. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Transfer the mac and cheese to a baking dish. Top with breadcrumbs. Drizzle with olive oil and bake for 15 minutes or until the top is golden brown. Serve immediately and enjoy. Prep time, 10 minutes. Cooking time, 20 minutes. Total time, 30 minutes. Kcal, 350 kilocalories. Servings, 4 servings.